Dunya Travel Turkey here and welcome to another adventure. Today we have escaped the hustle and bustle of the city Istanbul to immerse ourselves in the natural beauty of Belgrad Park in Istanbul. So imagine this place, it's far to Istanbul on 20 minutes by car. Unfortunately there is no bus who can enter this park, so if you wanna come here you need to have a car. Belgrad Forest, also known as Belgrad Ormani in Turkish, is a vast wooded area located on the European side of Istanbul, covering approximately 5,500 hectares. It is one of the largest green spaces in the city and serves as a popular destination for locals seeking a natural retreat. Why guys, the forest is home to diverse flora and fauna, providing a tranquil escape from the urban hustle. Visitors can explore a network of walking and jogging trails, offering a varying levels of difficulty. The park's large landscapes include dense woodlands, clearing and picturesque picnic spots, making it an ideal location for outdoor activities and relaxation. Belgrad Park offers a serene environment for camping and nature enthusiasts. With designated camping areas, visitors can experience the beauty of the forest under the stars. It's essential to follow park regulation and guidelines to ensure a respectful and sustainable camping experience. And now it's time for our breakfast. Our day begins with a serene camping experience surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. But first, we are preparing a delicious breakfast, and today's special treat is Kuymak, a delightful dish from Trabzon that's bound to tantalize our taste buds. Let's get cooking! The first step is preparing our table for breakfast, and I do some croissant preparing at home and some food for breakfast. Next up, let's dive into the delicious recipe for Kuymak. Get ready to savor the flavors of Trabzon with this delightful dish, a perfect blend of tradition and taste. Well, you know, the recipe is very easy. So we need 2 cups cornmeal, 4 cups water, 1 cup cheese of Trabzon, 30 gram butter, salt to taste. I think our breakfast is ready, and here our table. Right, just look at this spread, the perfect way to fill up for a day of exploration in the great outdoors. Now well, let's dig in and enjoy the flavors of Trabzon right here in Istanbul.
Kanalımı takip et unutma.
If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe.
So we finished it with our breakfast and now it's time for a walk.
With our bellies full, it's time to explore Belgrad Park. The park offers a fantastic parkour for both sports enthusiasts and those who prefer leisurely stroll. Join me as we cover around 6 kilometers, taking in the scenic beauty that this park has to offer. This kind of park also features a parkours. This tree is equipped with exercise stations strategically placed along the route, providing a scenic yet functional space for outdoor workout. And here we can see the lake, so the tour is around the lake of Belgrad Orman. We are in winter and this forest should be in this time covered with snow, but unfortunately this year we didn't see the snow until now in Istanbul. Exploring Belgrad Forest provides a unique opportunity to connect with nature without venturing far from the city. The diverse ecosystem combined with the accessibility of walking and jogging trails make it a favorite destination for those seeking a break from urban life. While Belgrad Forest holds historical significance, as it was once part of hunting ground during the Ottoman period. Today, it stands as a protected natural area, preserving Istanbul's ecological balance. From lush greenery to picturesque trees, Belgrad Park is a hidden gem right here in the heart of Istanbul. Ataturk is the perfect escape for anyone looking to reconnect with nature. But our adventure doesn't end here. We are heading to the Ataturk Arboretumu, a botanical paradise that's home to a diverse range of plant species. Let's take a tour and explore the breathtaking landscapes. So here we can see the price, because this park it's not free, it's not like the Belgrad Orman. There is I think 25 lira and you can come by bus to this park. Established in 1949 by the Istanbul University Faculty of Forestry, this institution serves as a vital hub for educational and research activities. It's a living laboratory where students and research delve into the secrets of forestry, ecology, and botany. Walking through the garden feels like stepping into a different world. The tranquility, the rare plant species, it's a nature lover's dream come true. As you wander through the Arboretum, you will witness a stunning area of trees, plants, and shrubs, each with its own story to tell. From native species to exotic varieties, Ataturk Arboretum is a testament to the rich biodiversity that our planet has to offer. Here we have some plants. I didn't understand the concept, but I think here we can see some plants.
So today's video finished. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video everywhere. Bye bye. See you next time.